Toad, there's something I want to show you. What is it, Toad? There's a purple bird in the room. A purple bird? Dude, he's not kidding. I see it too. Same here. Come on, Blue Toad, you really gotta check this out. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Just do it. It'll get Orange Toad to finally shut up. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. Hi, everybody. How's it going down there? Purple Toad, how did you get up there? Turns out, just like the raccoon suit, I can fly using this bird costume too. Well, that explains it.